Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some creative small backyard covered patio ideas that will transform your outdoor space into a cozy retreat. Whether you have a tiny yard or just need some shade, these ideas are perfect for making the most out of every inch. First up, let's talk vertical space. If you have a small backyard, you want to think upwards. Install shelves, vertical planters, or hanging plants to add some greenery without taking up valuable floor space. These little additions make your patio feel lush and vibrant while keeping things organized and uncluttered. Next, let's keep things light and airy with natural materials. Think light wood decking, wicker furniture, and cushions in soft neutral tones. Using these materials helps create an open, airy feel, making your small space feel bigger and more inviting. Plus, they blend beautifully with the outdoors. For a small covered patio, privacy is key, but you don't want to sacrifice style. Consider using bamboo, fabric drapes, or even a wooden trellis as a privacy screen. These options are perfect for creating some seclusion without making the space feel closed off. Add climbing plants or ivy for a more natural touch. One of the best ways to maximize space is by choosing multifunctional furniture. Look for benches with built-in storage, foldable tables, or stackable chairs. These smart solutions will help you keep things organized and allow you to adapt your space for different occasions, whether you're hosting guests or just enjoying a quiet afternoon. Now let's talk lighting. A small covered patio can truly come alive in the evening with the right lighting. Hang string lights above for a warm glow, add lanterns or candles for a cozy vibe, or use battery-powered LED lights along the railing or posts. It's all about creating the perfect atmosphere for those magical outdoor nights. Adding personal touches to your small patio makes it feel like an extension of your home. Think throw pillows, an outdoor rug, or a few of your favorite decorations. It's these little details that truly make your patio your own, and they'll help you feel even more comfortable and connected to your outdoor space. Every great patio needs a focal point. It could be a beautiful piece of outdoor art, a chic fire pit, or even a small water feature that brings soothing sounds to your space. Whatever you choose, having something that draws the eye will make your small patio feel more cohesive and inviting. Finally, don't forget to focus on comfort. A covered patio is the perfect place to enjoy the outdoors while staying cool and comfortable. Whether it's a pergola with a fabric canopy, a retractable awning, or even a simple shade sail, having proper coverage is key. Add some comfy cushions and cozy throws, and you've got yourself a perfect outdoor retreat. Thanks so much for watching. I hope these small backyard covered patio ideas have inspired you to transform your own space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more outdoor design tips. See you next time.